Hi guys, welcome at Travel with Kaprun. Today we will show you a beautiful Klamm in Kaprun, Austria. What is a Klamm, you might think? It's a German word for canyon, a stunning water pass in between rocks, high cliffs, and at the top an amazing lake with a great waterfall. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Travel with Kaprun videos. Drive 10 minutes away from Zell am See, you can find Kaprun with its famous Sigmund Thun Klamm. This canyon is a must-visit in this area to experience the force of water. This spectacle of nature shows you how strong nature can be. The canyon is over thousands of years old. It was made by nature right after the Ice Age, when the ice of Kaprun started melting. The massive amount of water had to go somewhere, so the landscape changed from ice into a place full of rivers. Tourists choose to visit this Klamm since it's beautiful and not far away from Zell am See. The easiest way to get here is by car. There are enough free parking spaces around and the entrance fee is only €6.50, but free with your summer card. For more info on this card, please check out our other video about Zell am See. In the 1900s, this place is already popular for tourism. In 1991, they renewed the stepway along the canyon. The walk up to the gigantic waterfall takes about 20 minutes. Right after the amazing waterfall, you will find a beautiful lake with a gorgeous color. Walk around it for more beautiful views. This hike will take about 1 hour. To get back from the waterfall to the starting point, you have to take a 15-minute walk through the forest. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video of Travel with Kaprun. We're looking forward to see you again in our next travel video. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Bye!